Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In Finty, you can export Excel files from various sections and save them on your device. Let me show you some of the most prominent examples. Let's go to the Users menu, User Service. These are all the users in this account. And as you can see, there is an Excel option here. By clicking on it, you can export an Excel file of all the users added to Finty. This includes repairmen, salespeople, and all your clients. But it doesn't stop here. You can use filter to filter the results based on these options. For example, let's see how many clients we have on this account. User group, clients. In search, as you see, I have 15 clients, and I can export an Excel file from the client list. Let me show you another example now. Let's go to the Warehouse and Goods menu and Product Service. As you see, you can export an Excel file here too from all your products, in-stock products, or out-of-stock items. And by exporting an Excel file from your out-of-stock items, this way you can easily purchase them for your warehouse and add them to your inventory. In this service, as you can see, you can add new products or use the filter option out of stock laptops, in stock laptops, and all the laptops. You can also export an Excel file as you see. Now let's go to Repair Shop Management menu and the Report service. As you see, you can export Excel files or filter the results based on these options. And export an Excel file from the cell phones that were repaired. Let me show you another example now. Let's go to Financial Reports menu, Sales Profit, or Service Profit. In these two services, you can see the performance of your repairmen or salespeople and export an Excel file or use the filter option to see, for example, the performance of a specific salesman. And again, export this data on an Excel file. In the Statement service, you can see your debtors or creditors or everyone who pays you or you pay them. And export an Excel file. As I showed you, various services in Finty have Excel files, and you can easily export your desired data by simply clicking on them. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.